Okay, so before this video starts, I just want to say thank you to everyone and just everyone that's watched my content. Like, I never thought I'd get to this point in my channel and then finally be able to make a purchase using what I've earned off YouTube and then be able to make this kind of purchase, like a purchase I've wanted to make for so long. And I'm so glad that you guys have helped me actually get to this point. Because I don't like how a lot of creators say, you know, I'm self-made, when really the people making them is the people that watch their content. So I just want to say thank you to every single one of you that's watched my content. If you're a hater, you like my content, whatever it is, I don't care. Just thank you for watching, because all of it sort of goes down and boils down to helping me out, so thank you. But anyways, we're gonna get into this video. I'm so excited to really just unbox this because I've been waiting for so long to do this. And then also, you guys, I'm gonna be doing a reacting to subscriber outfits part 2 video, so you guys can submit your outfits, all that on my Instagram. It should be on the screen right now, Tristan.Wick. Go submit your submissions there, and I'm gonna put some of them in a video that I'm gonna make that should be coming out either Saturday or Sunday, and you guys can be featured in that. But anyways, let's get into this video. Subscribe below if you want, drop a like. It's all optional, but I appreciate it, and let's get started. So out of all Supreme box logos ever, any ones I've ever seen in person, in hand, reviews online, out of every single one, this is the one that has meant the most to me. And the reason I'm saying that is because, first of all, I'm gonna give you guys sort of an idea here. I love artwork, so some of you guys may be able to guess it right off the bat there. And then secondly, this is by far my favorite one in terms of design. I mean, no matter how it would look, I would still love it because it just means so much to me that I finally have it. And it's by far my favorite box logo. Like, there may be one in the future that may be better, but I doubt it. This is by far my favorite box logo ever. So from spring, summer 2009, so pretty old box logo right here, we do have the Supreme Damien Hirst box logo, as you guys can see right there. And I have wanted this for so long, like ever since I got into Supreme, all that. And when I figured out like about this box logo specifically, I looked for other ones that were better and I just couldn't find one. So I finally was able to make this purchase and just buy my favorite box logo of all time. And I'm so excited, honestly. I mean, yeah, I may not be expressing it fully, like screaming and all that, because that's not necessary. But this is something I've wanted for a really long time. So again, thank you all. And I'm gonna put it on and show you guys it. But firstly, we gotta know it's Damien Hirst artwork. This is a Damien Hirst box logo, of course. And you know, we got the dots right here, and then we just got Supreme right there and the dots on the inside. Now, this is, again, favorite box logo, so I'm definitely gonna be wearing this a lot. And you know, it does have some cracking, as you guys can tell, but again, a box logo that's 9 years old, it's going to have cracking. Let's just face it, that's just how it works. It's nearly 10 years old. It's as old as my younger brother, almost. So when, you know, discussing that, it's just, this is something that's meant so much to me, and yeah, I'm about to put it on and show you guys it, but just, I mean, I'm just so happy to have this. It's something I've wanted for so long, and just one more time, you know, might as well. I'm not trying to flex on y'all, but this is something just so amazing to me. Every time I look at it, it's just great to me, so thank you all. Definitely a piece I've wanted for a while, as I said, but let's just put it on and see how it is. Oh, by the way, you guys noticed the Prodigy tee from this season. Again, another one of my favorite tees, but here we are, Supreme Damien Hirst box logo. And really, if you think about it, it's like any other t-shirt, but the thing is that, you know, it's Supreme. So people take it, you know, like this is something special to me, and here we go, right here, and then you guys can see this right here. And obviously this isn't the only thing, it's not just the box logo. As you guys can see on the back, this is another one of my favorite parts. A lot of people know this, you guys may be able to read that. Basically what it said, you guys can see it. Well, I'm not gonna say it because there's no point, but you guys can see it right there, and this is really cool. Damien Hirst's work, by far, again, this, and then of course the box logo on the front right here. I think it all looks really clean together, and like, I'm just so excited. So I'm gonna put this on right now because I really can't wait to do it, so I'm gonna do that. And another thing is it fits really well. Look at this, like this is a good fitting t-shirt right here. This is a good fit. That's also, you know, again, it's from 09. This is a pretty old t-shirt. I was like 7, so I didn't even know about Supreme at the time, or probably at all. I just didn't know about it. So having this is a good thing to me, and I'm just so happy to have it in my collection now. Really, just all the tees we've gotten lately, our t-shirt collection is looking strong right now, and overall the Supreme collection is doing pretty well, especially with a piece like this. Sort of vintage, I guess, because, you know, it's pretty old. It's one of the older box logos. Well, I mean, it's like when Supreme was like 15 years into business, so not one of the older box logos, but one from, I guess, you know, before 2010, before that sort of our decade that we're in right now. But again, this fits really nice. It looks good in my opinion. You know, it's sort of cracked, or well, pretty cracked actually. But in terms of like what I got it for, I would say I got it for a pretty good deal. And I'm happy, you know, the guy had to ship it out all the way from Australia. As you guys know, Supreme Australia isn't really, you know, it's hard to get anything there. But this has been authenticated multiple times. I've checked it at least, I think, like 10 times. And I'm not kidding when I say that, because when I get a box logo, I'm gonna make sure that it's legit. I'm not gonna, you know, mess around and like just buy it because I see, oh, you know, this person, blah, blah, blah. I'm super happy that I got this, and, you know, I got it off a legit guy on Grailed, and you guys can see this right here. I've showed this way too many times now, but hopefully you guys get the idea. It's something really exciting to me. And of course in the back right here, you guys can read that. Oh, hold on, I'll turn it all the way around. You can probably read the like die part and some stuff like that. But I'm super excited to have this box logo. I might as well just close this video out because it doesn't need to be too long. But I just want to say thank you all for getting me here. And yeah, I couldn't have done it really without you all, so thank you. Anyways, so thank you all for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Again, one more time, probably the 10th time. Thank you. You know, I'm trying to sound as genuine as I can because I am serious. This is something huge for me, so thank you. Something I've always wanted, my favorite box of all time, and I finally have it. So thank every single one of you for everything you guys have done. Hate my videos, like my videos, whatever. I appreciate it no matter what because it teaches me something new every single day. But if you guys are new, subscribe below, drop a like, do any of that, and also submit your outfits on my Instagram, Tristan.Wick. Just DM me there. I'll be accepting requests, looking through all of them. Hopefully, unless like when I'm making the video, I won't be looking through them, of course. Like there'll be a certain point, like a cutoff. I don't know when this video is gonna be posted, but let's assume like the next day at like 10 a.m. or something like that, because I know what day this video will be out. But anyways, thank y'all for watching, and peace out.